So today, I am going to make French fries. I know some of you guys have been asking for this recipe, so I'm just going to give you the recipe. So let's get started. And also, instead of frying these French fries, we're going to air fry them. Okay, so what you're going to need is about 5 potatoes. You could add or subtract the amount of potatoes depending on how much people you want to feed. Olive oil, salt, and pepper. You can, we're going to give you guys the amount and measurements of all these ingredients in the description box below. So what we're going to do first, so what I did with the potatoes is I peeled the potatoes and washed them. And I also cut them into little pieces. And I'm going to show you how to cut them. So let me just put it here. And then what you have to do is just put it about an inch thick and just cut it from the tippy top and just cut it. So we cut it this way. To look like this, like about an inch thick. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the long side and we're going to cut it. This. And also, you guys can. Also, if you want to, you can leave the skin on the potatoes. So it's supposed to look like this. And now we're just going to put them in here. A lot of potatoes. So what we're going to do next is we're going to drain and pat off the water off these potatoes. So I drained the potatoes and it looks like this. So I'm going to just pat the potatoes so it's going to be dry. So I'm going to just dump them in here. Okay, it's a lot of potatoes. Okay, just put them all around. It's going to dry them. Squeeze it all. I left some. Just put them right there. So now I dried the potatoes, and what I'm going to, I have another paper towel, and I'm just going to dry the bowl so it does not have any water when it cooks. So now it's ready. So now I'm just going to put them back in the bowl, handful by handful. So now it's dry and it looks like this. So now I'm going to put the rest of my ingredients. So I'm going to put my olive oil, which I'm using a little bit of it because we're air frying it, but when we're frying, we have to use a lot. So the best thing about air frying is you don't use that much oil and it's a lot healthier. I'm just going to put a squirt of it all around. And then I'm just going to stir. Okay. A quick stir. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some sea salt. And some fine ground black pepper. And I'm going to just mix it together. Okay, so now I'm done and it looks like this. So now I'm going to get the basket and the air fryer. Now we are going to dump it all in all around the basket. So, okay, so just even it out. Voila! Looks very, very good. So I'm just gonna put it back. Okay, so 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And don't forget to just shake it every now and then because you want it to just adjust. So my French fries are ready, and they're very healthy, and they look awesome. So now let's transfer them into this bowl. These French fries look and smell amazing. They look very crispy, and also they're very healthy because they're made with an air fryer, and you're not frying them with many cups of oil. So it smells good, so now let's see if it tastes good. Wow, very hot, but it tastes very good. I can taste the salt, and it is very, very nice, and it's very crunchy and crispy. I can also taste the pepper as well. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share with all of your friends and family, and click on the notification bell below so you don't miss any of our awesome new videos. And don't just watch the video, make it. Bye! And also, if you have safe French fries. These are very safe, so you guys, any of you guys, can try this without worrying that you guys are going to get burned by the oil. Bye!